Concept. Concepts that click quick.
Fertilization in flowering plants. Have you ever walked past a garden early in the morning and noticed tiny bees buzzing from one flower to another? Or butterflies sitting on bright petals? But did you know that these little visitors are not just enjoying the flowers? They are helping plants reproduce. How? Let's follow one bee. When a bee or butterfly lands on a flower, the powdery substance called pollen sticks to its legs. Pollen are small dust-like grains that carry the male gametes of a flower. When this bee visits another flower, some of this pollen rubs off onto the stigma, the sticky part of a flower. This transfer of pollen from the anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower is called pollination. Once the pollen lands on the stigma, something magical happens. The pollen absorbs moisture from the stigma and begins to swell. A tiny tube starts growing out of the pollen grain, like a root sprouting from a seed. This is the pollen tube. Watch the pollen tube pushing its way down through the style, like a tunnel being dug through soft jelly. It grows fast and steady, carrying two male gametes inside it, and enters the ovary, a round protected chamber at the bottom of the flower. The ovary contains ovules, and inside each ovule is an egg cell waiting patiently. The pollen tube enters an ovule and releases the male gametes. One male gamete moves towards the egg cell and fuses with it. This fusion creates the zygote, which will develop into the seed. This process of fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. After fertilization, the sepals and petals slowly dry up and fall off. The ovary enlarges and transforms into a fruit. The ovule develops into a seed. Thus, fertilization ensures the formation of fruits and seeds, allowing plants to continue their life cycle. So, next time you see a bee visiting a flower, remember, it's not just looking for nectar. It's helping a flower begin the incredible journey from pollen to seed.